What's up, guys? How are you all doing today, guys? I just bought the charging stand with cooling fan for my console because I decided to buy it in case maybe if I play long time game, so to cool down the machine, you know it's very important. And also the reason why I picked this very stand, this very cooling fan, it does have a very good feature that I like. It has a charging 2 controller and also have 3 USB ports for controller as well. Also cooling console, as you can see. So these are the reason why I really buy this. It will be difference from the price for Sony charging port, because Sony the Sony charging port is just only for the charger alone and for the controller alone, but does not have fan. So this one I picked it because it have the because this one have the controller charging and also compatible for if you want to also use it for the disc version, not just the digital version alone. So this is how it came. So as it is right now, if you are going to be using it for the disc version, you have to take this one off. So it has 2 fans here. I am looking at 2 fans here, and this one is good. It's good. I think because it have this fan, and has this 2, it's okay. This one is okay also as well, and has the 2 also USB port here, and this is the switch, the on and off over here. See, so I think this is only what I am seeing right now. There's nothing different. There's nothing much. Maybe there's going to be and the lights around here, indicator. Yes. So let's connect it now. Let us put it on light. 35 euros here. While the Sony charger, the Sony charger was just about 30 euros. So I just decided to pick this one because it has fan, and I believe it's going to be the same job, nothing difference. And this is the 3 USB, and this is the charging. This one when this 2 is charging. When you remove it now, you see, when it's removed, it has this light. When it's placed back, this light shows that it's charging. Okay. When you place it on your shelf, as I can see, it's beautiful and it's okay the way it is. The red light you are seeing right now is the red light indicating that it's charging. So it's 2. One is already charged. So the other light is for the fan. The fan, and you can also have this. The fan has switch off and on. If you like to off it, if you like to on it, I think it's also better to have that one there there you have it, guys. So after finishing the embossing, I just place it on my shelf over there. So this is how it is. So if you decide to get this one, I think it's a good choice because you have a chargeable for your controller, and also it has a fan. If you buy the just only for the charging, I think, and it's the same price, what's the need? So I just decided to get this one. So thanks for watching, guys. See you again in my next video. Thank you.